EMART Photo Video Studio 10 feet Adjustable Background Stand Backdrop Support System Kit with Carry Bag. Multifunction use, professional lightweight pipe and drape support stand for family gathering, wedding, as well as for professional photography or party. Adjustable photo booth stand, easy to assemble and disassemble by one person in just a few minutes. Adjust the height from 2.6 feet to 7 feet and width from 5 feet to 10 feet. Load capacity up to 11 pounds per 5 kilograms. Heavy-duty spring clamp, used to hold curtains, canvas, muslin, projector screen or seamless paper, prevent background slippage. Photography weight sandbag, for photo support equipment, premium quality nylon, stabilize the backdrop support system. Note, this bag comes empty, please fill with gravel or any other material to add weight. Kit included: 2x adjustable crossbar, 2x light stand, 4x heavy-duty spring clamp, 2x sandbag, 1x portable carry bag. /12 months warranty for manufacturing defects. That's the special power of the lens. It is the ability to make your point, to tell your story, to illuminate. That's what we believe. We've designed EMART to be your top resource for lighting, backdrops, and accessories. Whether your main interest is in Hollywood filming or commercial photography, this is the place to find your essential equipment. /83-inch light stand, aluminum alloy construction, max height 83, 210 centimeters, min height 33, 84 centimeters, folded height 26.4, 67 centimeters, diameter of legs 50.63, 516 mm, net weight 2.20 pounds, 1 kilogram. Heavy-duty spring clamp, 4.5 inches long, 3/4 inch by 5/8 inch rugged, pivoting pads, package size, 7.5 by 7.5 by 2 inches, maximum opening, 2-inch mouth, material, nylon. Interlocking adjustable crossbar. Aluminum alloy construction, sections, 2, max length, 120 inch, 300 centimeters, min length, 60, 152 centimeters. Convenient carry case. Premium quality nylon material, installation instructions and safety instructions are included with the package.